Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a circle in Minecraft. While Minecraft's world is built on cubes, creating smooth, round shapes is a fun challenge. We'll dive into practical techniques to help you construct visually pleasing circles and spheres. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds, and with a few tips, you'll be building impressive circular structures in no time. Let's get started on transforming those square blocks into beautiful curves. One of the easiest ways to achieve a perfect circle is by using an online circle generator. These handy tools provide a block-by-block guide, showing you exactly where to place each block. You can choose from a wide range of sizes, from a tiny 5-block diameter up to a massive 50-block diameter, ensuring your circle fits your project perfectly. Just follow the pattern, and you'll have a symmetrical circle in minutes. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, manual construction is definitely achievable. Begin by laying out a cross shape, then gradually fill in the corners, aiming for a smooth curve. A good rule of thumb is to place 1 block out, then 2 blocks over, repeating this pattern to create a rounded edge. Remember, the more blocks you use, the smoother your circle will appear, so don't be afraid to go big. Once you've mastered basic circles, you can apply these techniques to more complex builds like grand domes, towering cylindrical structures, or even intricate organic shapes. Experiment with varying block colors and textures to add depth and visual appeal to your circular creations. Remember, practice is key, so start with smaller circles and gradually challenge yourself with larger, more elaborate designs. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.